What you doing, Scotty?
We are finishing off, or damn near.
Oh, yeah.
I guess it does work. Okay. Well, we've got everything in place now for the relays. The power line is ran all the way up over because it's got to hook up to the back of the alternator, so we have a constant power. We have our driver's side set up completely in place. I just got to snug up the bolts that hold the bracket in place and the reinforcements for the headlight bracket assembly. Our lines are ran. Yes, I'm very picky about that type of crap. It's got to at least look presentable. And then I'll have this one go through here and go into place. Bolt this back up like it needs to be. Get the new one on. Click the harness into its little locks for the headlights. I might do a little bit of tape just to hold that kind of,
just to secure it a little
yeah,
nicer.
just to make it look a little bit nicer. But yeah, we're just about done with all the headlights, and then we can put the condenser in.
And the radiator back.
And the radiator. I want to blow out all the dirt and crap that's been falling in here so that everything looks really, really nice. Then we'll get the hood back on. I scried some marks so that we can keep the alignment. And we will be rocking and rolling. Then it's just get the engine bay harness done and everything in place so we can route all the air conditioning stuff that needs to go in yet.
And we have to do the sensors for the new gauges.
Yes, correct. I forgot about that. Yes.
All those and their wiring and route that inside as well.
And today's what, the 21st?
First?
Yeah, because, yeah.
I got the
So
bolt.
we have
I got to finish getting the chunks out. But it's good and the threads are good, so.
10 days.
Yeah, barring anything.
Yeah, bar anything, you know, another hurricane. I'm surprised either one of us even got in here today.
Yeah, we're about the only ones in town that went to work, apparently.
Yeah, I got here and half the other shops aren't even here.
Yeah.
I mean, like no one.
It took Chuck an hour and 45 minutes.
Oh, God.
Victor's here. We're here.
Yeah?
The guys next door aren't here. Chandler's not here.
No, the guys next door are here.
Are they?
Yeah, they showed up.
Oh. I just didn't see a car.
Actually,
parked
he
up.
showed up around 8:30-ish.
Oh.
Because I was already here at 7:45.
Damn, Scotty. Early bird.
Hey, what can I say? I want to get the worm.
You like the worm.
So do I. Fucking tequila? Hell yeah.
Oh, God. All right. So, Scotty's going to do that side, get it all routed and figured out, snug up everything. I'll figure out a way to test it.
I would like to, but I don't know if we can
Then we get the rest of the wiring done.
without being able to send a signal to it.
Yep. We got that going. Senders are coming next. And the instruments as well. Scotty, what ever-living hell are we in now? Oh, positive first.
Yes. We have both
Oh.
headlight power assemblies hooked up, in place, tightened, set, ran, plugged, screwed, blued, tattooed, and taped. I mean, it's aftermarket. I'm just trying to make it look as respectable as I possibly can. We got all our ground wires ran and taken care of. We got our horn hooked up. So I'm going through and going, all right, well, what do we have left to do up front? We can start working on, you know, getting the condenser in and getting it, and then went, okay, well, we can't do that because we need the turn signal parking lights. Not the side marker lights, which are completely different.
Those are bagged up and wrapped up.
Correct, because we don't know what the customer is going to do, so we're not cutting any harnesses. We don't do that.
No, no cutting harnesses.
So I went, okay, well, this is a plug, so we just need the extension. The only extension we've got.
Is one of them, and it's in sorry shape.
Yeah, at best. And basically what you're going to do is just plug it in, gives you the room, and then you go down to the front turn signal / running light. And it's falling apart. The wire's breaking as I'm tinkering, and I got to be careful because it's the only one we have to follow. So we got to get a part number and have the customer get us two.
Two of
So we're
those.
paused again.
So,
But it's not customer's fault. It's not our fault.
no, they should have been part of the full wiring harness kit, and they were not.
So
But
We
that's
gotta get a hold
the
of them.
vendor. That's not
not
Mo.
us.
That's the vendor.
Nope. And the customer's been absolutely phenomenal to deal with.
Yeah, he's come
Everything
hung out,
we've
come
needed,
hang
bang,
out,
bang, bang, done. Just gets it immediately.
hangs
So,
out.
yep.
Came by the other day. We had a
Great
good-
guy. Great
good
guy.
talk. So, my conundrum, now that Scotty's done, positive news, that red wire, that's the lead for your power. Yes, for the lights. Needs a constant 12 volt. Boom. Back of the alternator. Wires perfectly. Actually reaches perfectly, like it was made to go to there. So that's good. Done. Got our bolt out. Got our bracket fixed, mocked up, mounted. Brackets for short pump. That's for short pump. This pulley is for long pump because somebody had a long pump on here before. This is supposed to be a short pump car. Our AC kit is for a short pump. So our pulleys here do not jive. So we need a pulley kit. I have it. Speedway sells it. I got the part number. I'll send it over to you, Mo. So we need that set because we're kind of dead in the water there. I am going to mount up the water pump today or tomorrow so I can finish mounting the compressor. So that's done. And then we'll be waiting on that. But we'll have that done. I got to start on our sensors for our gauges, which is pretty easy. I actually needed one for oil pressure, and I was going to tee off the back where the oil pressure and oil temp, where the factory oil pressure is. Well, the one for oil temp is 8th pipe. That's an oil galley plug right there, that square.
Yeah.
I'm going to put our temperature sender there for the oil temp.
Oh, hell yeah. That'll be great.
Perfect. So, we'll have that going. It's going to be nice. It's coming along. Is it coming along? It's fine.